Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and let's get right into this video. So I'm going to be recreating this manicure right here. This was my first ever advanced dip powder manicure and my fourth or fifth dip powder nails ever. I decided to recreate the design because it's been 2 years since I've done that same design. July 5th, I think, or maybe it was the 6th, but it was early July of 2019 that I did it. I actually only used one dip powder from Totally Dipp'd to do this design. I thought I was gonna need the other one, but I really didn't. So I was going to Europe in 2019 and I decided to do my nails, which was inspired by long hair pretty nails. And guys, I thought I did something amazing when I did this mani, but looking at it now, I'm like, what the hell? I really improved a lot. The stilettos I thought I was achieving was actually misshaped almond nails. Wow, maybe 2 years from now I wouldn't even like these nails I'm doing right now. It's crazy how we can improve, and this is also motivation for you guys to keep practicing. This was only 2 years ago for me, so don't give up, you hear me? So I'm just finding my nail sizes right here. Now I applied the tips to do my nails using ProDip Finish Gel, which is a dip powder top coat and can also act as a base glue. Next, I just cut the tips to my desired length because I didn't want the stilettos to be too long. Then I started filing the nails into shape. Next, I filed the nail tips with my 100/180 grit nail file to remove the shine and make it flush with my natural nails. These are the liquids I'll be using today, and I will be using Finish Gel, which is a dip powder top coat. I'll be using that as base glue as I said before. I start by applying ProDip Prep to dehydrate the nails. You can use rubbing alcohol or acetone to do this. Next, I applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. It's also an optional step. I forgot that I wanted the ring nail to be clear, so I went back in with the clear dip powder to build up the nail. Then I applied activator. On the index nail, I'm using this glitter right here, so I poured the glitter into my dip tray and then I applied the base to the whole nail and laid my finger into the dip powder. I did 2 layers of that. On the pinky nail, I'm doing a glitter ombre, so I applied the base to half of the nail and then laid my finger into the glitter. Then I applied some base glue sporadically on the tip and then stuck some glitter on the nail tip. On the middle nail, I'm using this holographic duct tape. So I applied it to the nail. The adhesion was strong but not strong enough for the nail, so I applied the base glue on the nail and stuck it down. It was a bit challenging, but after a while most of it stuck down. I had to redo this off camera because it was a little difficult to do on camera. It worked out better off camera, but I did the same things I'm doing right here. Next, I encapsulated the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. I really don't remember how many, but I did a lot. Then I encapsulated the index and pinky nail. So I'm just showing how crazy the nails look from all angles so y'all can get a better idea of how much filing needs to be done. Now I applied the activator and waited for the nails to harden so that I can file the nails. So I showed the filing of the middle nail just because this one was the hardest to shape. I also used a hand file, but I don't think I showed that. This is after filing of the nails. Now on the ring nail I applied my Modelones Gel Glue and Gel Top Coat. Then I placed a lot of rhinestones on the nail. This pencil does not work that well, so I had to improvise, and then I cured for 30 seconds. On the middle nail I applied gel glue. and gel top coat also. I was a little disappointed with the holographic tape. I thought it would look better than that, but oh well. Then I placed the smaller rhinestones around the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then I top coated the rest of the nails and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So let me know what you guys think of this design. Let me know if you think I improved or not, and if the design looks good or not. Give me feedback on what you think of everything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!